Having trouble with your Straight Talk hotspot on your iPhone or Android device? It's likely due to incorrect APN settings or tethering issues. Straight Talk uses major carrier networks like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, so APN settings are crucial. First, check your data plan and ensure hotspot tethering is enabled and that you haven't exceeded your data limits, which can cause throttling. Restart your phone, a simple fix that often resolves temporary glitches. Straight Talk uses major carrier networks like Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, so APN settings are crucial. Then let's dive into the APN settings. APN, access point name settings, are the gateway for your phone to connect to the internet. Incorrect APN settings are the main reason for hotspot failures. For iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Data Network. For Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Check Straight Talk's website for the correct APN settings for your carrier, such as TF Data for T-Mobile, VZ Winternet for Verizon, or NXT Gen Phone for AT&T. Enter these settings precisely. You can also try using the Straight Talk app, which now includes automated APN diagnostic tools. Save the new APN, restart your device, and test your hotspot connection. If problems persist, contact Straight Talk support for a SIM card verification or profile update.